Hello everyone. Let's talk about basic finance for small businesses. Well done already. If you have started your own business, or if you're thinking of starting a new business, you have already taken one brave first step in doing so. I am Dimu J, a finance manager for a reputed company in Australia, and a CPA and a chartered accountant. Um, I have years of experience helping small business owners build confidence in accounting and financial decision making. My goal is to break down the basics into simple, practical steps you can apply right away. Whether you're managing cash flow, setting up a budget, or just trying to understand your numbers better, I'm here to make accounting easy and useful for your business success. Why finance matters? Understanding finance is like having a GPS for your business. It helps you know where you stand, where you're going, and how to get there without running out of gas or money. Let's talk about revenue and profit. What is revenue and what is profit? Revenue is the total money your business brings in. Profit is what's left after you deducted or subtracted your expenses. Big revenue doesn't mean success if your expenses are even bigger. So if you have, for an example, 100,000 revenue and 50,000 expense, you have $50,000 profit. Let's say, for example, you have 100,000 revenue but 120,000 in expense. That means you're carrying your business at a loss of $20,000. So, what are the fixed and variable costs that your business can have? Fixed costs stay the same each month, such as rent or insurance. Variable costs change depending on how much you sell, things like shipping or materials or products that you keep buying. Cost of inflation is adding to those materials and products, and fluctuates every month or so unless you have set up an agreement with your suppliers that you will receive a fixed price from them. So knowing the difference between fixed and variable cost helps you manage your budget efficiently and effectively. And also knowing your cash flow basics is very, very important to start and stay afloat to your business. Cash flow tells you if your business can cover its bills. You might be profitable on paper but still struggle if your cash isn't flowing right. Always track what's coming in and what's going out, so you know what's happening in the business. So what basic financial statements do you need? There are 3 key reports you need to know. The income statement shows your profit or loss. The balance sheet shows what your assets and liabilities are, or in other words, what you own and what you owe to others. And the cash flow statement shows how many moves in and out, like what's coming in and what's going out from cash or bank point of view. Even if you are an accountant, you should understand these basics so you know you can manage your own business and you understand what accountant says to you. So what tools can you use to do this? These are not hard. It's simple. You don't need fancy tools to get started. Just a simple spreadsheet, or you can even take an exercise book. You have, what you must do is, though, you need to keep your invoices and your bank statements and everything stored in some place. You can use your phone. You know, everyone has smartphone these days. You can use your own phones to take a photograph and keep them in your phone digitally, or you can just have a shoebox at your home, at your business place, to keep these receipts and invoices secured for a period of time, even for tax purpose. Also, you can use Excel, free from Microsoft, or it could be for a very cheap price you can get that, or free software like Wave or Notebook can help you track income and expenses. Pick whatever works for you. Just start tracking. That's all. So what are the common mistakes to avoid? These mistakes can be avoided so easily, so you won't get into the struggling situation. Some of the biggest mistakes I see: mixing personal and business finances, not keeping receipts or tracking expenses, and waiting until tax time to think about taxes. Fixing these early will save you headaches later. So these are just very, very basic accounting skills to begin with. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. In the next video, we will talk about how to create a simple business budget in Excel. You don't want to miss that. Until next time, see you later. Bye bye.